Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see it has some teeth. The drawing is here. You see this distance of 98, diameters and shape. We start with creating the first sketch. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, XY plane, and we draw a line to the left of 98. This line is center line. Then we draw lines. Horizontal, up, right, up again, to the right, somewhere here. Then we go outside the center point. This is the center point. Then a perpendicular on previous line. It is somehow not okay, but we place dimensions. Important is that this small line contains the center point. This is 3 millimeters. And this is 4 millimeters from the center point. The angle is 50 degrees. The distance is 16. This is 10. This is 37.5. And now diameters. This is 76. I have to move this line to the left. Then this is 60. This is 48.5. This is 50, 48, and this is 55. One dimension needed. that is this. 37.5. Good. Now we see that there is here an arc with this center line, 4.37 and 66.5. 3.57 is the distance to this line. We don't forget to add this line connected with the other on the center line. Good. I move these dimensions up. I create a new circle. This is the circle. The radius. No, I trim this circle. I split these two and I make this as construction. Now dimensions. The radius is 4.37. The distance here is 3.57 and this diameter is 66.5. We draw a line to the continuation of this axis and we go not in the middle but somewhere on the line. This is collinear with this. This point is on this line. This is already placed. The angle of 3 degrees. Then I make these two as construction. We'll use them in the future. Good. Fully constrained sketch. Revolve. OK. Next is this thread, trapezoidal 36 with pitch 3. This is easy to be placed. Hole, threaded. I select this metric trapezoidal threads and then 36 with normal pitch 3 millimeters. This is full depth through the part. This is the face, this is the center. Okay. Good. Now we have to place that teeth. You can see that they are cutted, you see, at 90 degrees here. You have dimensions right here. The section is this. Now we use that line. We go to here and we make this visible. Then we apply new sketch in this plane XY. F7 and we project that line, my friends. This is the line. Finish sketch. I hide the previous sketch and I create a new plane. Placed at the end of this line. You see the new plane. I selected this line and its end. In the new plane we create a sketch. F7 to see better. Now I have to project that line because it is a line perpendicular on the plane. We create now a triangle. 1, 2, 3 lines. This line must be horizontal. Is this horizontal or not? No. the axis is Z, so I use perpendicular to apply horizontal. On the vertical is placed this point. I project this circle and I make tangent the two. The circle must be construction and all we have to place here is the angle. This is 90 degrees. And the sides are equal. This point is coincident with this point. Okay. Now extrude the other direction to the part with cut. Okay. I hide the plane, I hide the sketch, and we have a channel. The part has 46 teeth. So we apply circular for the last feature about this axis and 46 cuts. Okay. The hole here is 8, distance of 50. We use this plane, F7, we place a circle of 8 aligned with the center point and with the distance of 50 from the left, the circle and the end 50. Extrude, as cut in upper direction. Okay, now if you take a look here, you see all chamfers are 1.5 at 45. Chamfers are a lot. You see, this is a chamfer, this is a chamfer, this is another one, and this is another one, also inside one. Let's do this. I start with this 1.5, 1.5, 1.5 here and here. I suppose that all of them are in place. Okay, I verified the part and I saw that I made a mistake. You see, 98 is the distance to the peak of these two lines perpendicular, and not as in my sketch. 98 is for here. Let's make the correction. Double click on this, and 98 is not here. I eliminate this and I place 98 right here. Finish sketch, and now let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and paste. It is just the same. Yes. Cancel. We keep the previous because it is identical with the previous. Now the material is steel carbon. The view has no edges, and the lights is this. We can compare the two, but only if I apply F6, and you see only some lights, no lights. This was not placed with the shaded. You see, now it is right the same. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.